Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earphones from Realme. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how they perform. Starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the picture of the earphones, and at the back we have some key features such as 20 hours of battery life, 10mm bass boost driver, 119 millisecond low latency mode, instant pairing, and they are lightweight, and these earbuds are designed by Jose Levy. The MRP on the box is Rs 2,499, however, they are available for Rs 1,999 on Amazon. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box you get the charging case which has the earbuds inside, and then we have the micro USB charging cable, and then you get the 2 pairs of extra ear tips and the user manual. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. First, about the charging case, I find the build quality pretty good. It's compact and also lightweight. Overall, the quality of the case is pretty good, keeping in mind the price. This charging case has the battery capacity of 400 mAh, and with this, you can get 20 hours of playback time. In terms of the overview, in the front of the charging case we have the LED light, and here at the back we have the micro USB charging port. Now let's see the earbuds. The earbuds are pretty lightweight and weighs just 3.6 grams each, and the quality is pretty good. Even though the weight is less, but you get slightly bigger form factor as compared to some other true wireless earbuds in this price range, such as the Redmi Earbuds S. In terms of the overview, in these earbuds you get the touch sensitive panel with Realme logo on it, and you also have mic on both the earbuds. Talking about the battery, each earbud has the battery capacity of 40 mAh. And as mentioned earlier, the earbuds come with the 10mm driver and the Bluetooth 5.0. And lastly, they are also IPX4 water resistant. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll see how they perform. For pairing, you can use the app Realme Link, and pairing is pretty straightforward. But I was shocked to see that there is no LED light on the earbuds to let you know the status. But you get the voice prompts and beeps to let you know that they are in the pairing mode. So they are paired with our phone, and in the Realme Link app, you can configure the touch controls. For example, you can set the double tap, triple tap, and also the long press according to your choice. So we have set the double tap to pause and play music, triple tap on the right earbud to go to the next song, triple tap on the left earbud to go back to the previous song, and long press on either of the earbud to enable Google Assistant. One more selling point of these earbuds is the gaming mode, which you can enable from the app itself, or as I have said it, which is the long press on both the earbuds to enable the gaming mode. And about the performance, we will come to that in a moment. So let's talk about the sound quality first. So for music and movies, I find the bass good and the clarity is also there. They are loud, and overall I find the sound quality pretty good for movies and music. There is one issue which I would like to highlight here is the touch controls. I personally didn't like the touch sensitivity, and sometimes it didn't recognize the touch on the panel. Apart from that, the in-ear design is good as it gives you good isolation, but because of the slightly bigger form factor, they were little uncomfortable, especially using them for long hours. Now coming to the gaming mode, Realme claims 119 millisecond super low latency mode, which I have tested on OnePlus and Samsung phone, and there is definitely some lag there even after enabling the gaming mode. So just for the comparison, with the Redmi Earbuds S, you get almost half the lag. So in terms of gaming, I wouldn't recommend these earbuds to you. And guys, we have done a detailed latency test of these earbuds on our Hindi channel, and if you're interested, then do check the link in the description below. So to sum it up, Realme Buds Q are the latest offering from Realme, which offers good battery backup, sound quality, and most importantly they are priced well. I find the sound quality of these earbuds good, especially for watching videos and listening to music. Some users reported frequent disconnection issue, but I haven't faced any such issue with these earbuds. But there are few things which I personally didn't like in these earbuds, such as no charging LED light or status light while charging the earbuds. The touch controls are not that good, and the earbuds are not that comfortable when you use them for long hours. And also, how can we forget the latency even in the gaming mode, which is really disappointing. So overall, if you're looking for a true wireless earbuds for music and movies, then you can definitely check them out. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.